It's a vital organization that many might not be aware of or fully utilize. But the Public Health Department serves Forsyth County residents in many ways. So what role does the Health Department play in our community?
A lot of people are going to think of the Health Department and think, well, that's where I got my childhood shots.
District 2 Public Information Officer Dave Palmer points out that while the first thought for many is immunizations, there's much more that the Health Department offers to residents.
Public health has both clinic services, we have environmental health services, and we cover programs such as emergency preparedness. So it's a large umbrella of services and programs that works within the community.
Some of the services provided by public health are highly visible, including immunizations.
It keeps the individual healthy, and by keeping the individual healthy, it keeps the community healthy. It stops the spread of disease, and thereby we protect other people who maybe can't get immunizations because of some health issue.
But immunizations are only one example of how the Health Department serves the community as a whole.
Most people are going to know environmental health because of food service inspections. They inspect all the lunchrooms at the schools, they inspect all the restaurants in our area.
Still, there are many other services the Health Department provides that many people aren't fully aware of, like specific services for women.
Our goal is to reach out to those people who otherwise wouldn't receive the treatment. So when they come in for the women's health visit, we cannot do the mammogram itself here, but we can set them up. If they feel an area in their breast that they're concerned about, we can do the clinical breast exam. We are expanded role nurses, so we are able to do the actual exam. And then if we need to get that person in to see a surgeon, we can assist that person with both making the appointment and with cost.
There are also services for families and children.
WIC is a program that's a partnership with the United States Department of Agriculture, and that is a program where people who are eligible for the program get vouchers, and they take those vouchers to the grocery store, and they're just like money, and they can buy the food, provide more nutritious meals for their families.
Emergency preparedness is another program for the Health Department that isn't often on our minds until disaster strikes.
We prepare on a local level as well as on a state level, and then that helps for the whole national level of preparedness for public health emergencies. We also plan and prepare our communities for any type of disaster, whether it's a disease outbreak, a tornado, or a hurricane. But specifically, we're more interested, or our responsibility is more focused on the health aspect for our residents. So if we had a mass disease outbreak, much like COVID-19, we have set up and operate drive-through test clinics so that we can get the specimen collections done and then send them off to labs to get the test results back for our residents.
So whether it is preparing our community for a potential outbreak, such as COVID-19, or providing health screens and family services, the Forsyth County Health Department is ready and available to serve residents.
But everybody in the community is welcome to come to the Health Department for immunizations or family planning, any program that they find helpful to them. We encourage all of our residents to use the Health Department.
Learn more about how the Forsyth County Health Department can serve your family's needs by visiting forsythhd.com.